So you need to save all your emails from GetResponse, but the platform doesn't make it as simple as clicking one button. Stick around, because I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, the limitations you should know, and a better alternative that gives you more control over your emails. Plus, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial through our link. First, there's no built-in export all emails option in GetResponse. You have to manually download each email template or copy them over to another platform. Not ideal, but here's how to do it. Go to the Email Marketing tab, open the email you want to save, and click the three dots. From here, you can copy the HTML and paste it into a document, or if you need a more visual format, you can use a Chrome extension to take full-page screenshots. But again, this is one by one, not exactly efficient if you have dozens or hundreds of emails. Next, if you want to move these emails to another platform, some email marketing tools like ActiveCampaign or MailerLite let you import HTML templates. But you'll need to clean up the formatting. GetResponse embeds certain styles that don't always transfer well. Another issue? Saving automation emails is even trickier. GetResponse doesn't let you export workflows directly, so you'd have to manually recreate them elsewhere. This is where GetResponse falls short. Other platforms like ConvertKit and Brevo allow easier automation migration. And here's the real problem. If you ever decide to leave GetResponse, they don't make it easy. You can't just take your email list and all your emails in one go. You'll have to go through a tedious manual process, and you might lose some formatting in the transfer. So, what's the better option? If you want full control over your emails, automation, and subscriber data, a platform like Alternative gives you more flexibility. Not only can you export everything easily, but it also has better automation tools, cleaner templates, and a more intuitive interface. And here's the best part. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial of Alternative, plus some amazing alternatives that work even better for email marketing flexibility. Just check the first link in the description to get access.